How to add clickable link to TikTok bio. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And let's head over to our profile. And as you might know, for the normal TikTok account, you need to have at least 1,000 followers to be able to add a clickable link to your bio. Even though some people change their account to business account, this will not solve the problem. You will need to have 1,000 followers. However, there's an easy way in which you can just add the link to your bio, just like I did right here. And you might think that, well, if I add it to my bio, it will not be clickable. Yes, it will not be clickable. However, a portion of those people who visit your profile will actually copy the link or type it into their browser. Copy it if they are using a PC, of course, or a mobile browser, or typing it like manually into their browser search bar and look for it. And it happened so many times. It happened like to almost everyone. So you just need to just paste it in your bio just like this and grind your way to reach that 1,000 follower in which you will be able to add clickable link. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add a link to your bio that people can click or visit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.